Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error with the error code 0x8A150006, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. And how would you do that? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. Okay, sorry, it is ws reset and hit enter. It will reset the Microsoft Store cache and open Microsoft Store. Now this time Microsoft Store will need a while to load, but it's okay. The next one is to re-register the Microsoft Store, and this will definitely fix the problem. So we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy it. It's mentioned in the description section of the video, so no need to worry. All you need to do is search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste this command here and hit enter. It will re-register the Microsoft Store. And lastly, restart the services. So which services? Because there are no services specific to the Microsoft Store, but there are services associated with Windows updates and they are the same. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. And then you can scroll down to the background intelligence transfer service and right click on it and then select start, or if it is started then select restart. And the next one is the Windows Update service. Right click on it and then select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.